If you're looking for the best NAS for your home in 2025, whether for media streaming, data backup, or a personal cloud, we've got you covered. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 NAS devices that offer the best performance, features, and value. Stick around to find out which one is the perfect fit for you. 5. Synology DiskStation DS223J. Kicking off our list is the Synology DiskStation DS223J. This is an entry-level NAS, perfect for beginners who want to set up a personal cloud without breaking the bank. It comes with 2 drive bays, supports up to 36 terabyte of storage, and runs on Synology's DiskStation Manager (DSM) software. While it doesn't have the most powerful hardware, it's great for file storage, backup, and basic media streaming. If you need a reliable and affordable NAS for home use, this is a solid pick. 4. ASUS AS5402T. Next up, we have the ASUS AS5402T. This NAS steps things up with a quad-core Intel Celeron processor and 2 GB of RAM, making it great for multitasking and 4K video streaming. It also features dual 2.5 GB ports, allowing for faster network speeds. Plus, with support for M.2 SSD caching, you can significantly improve read and write speeds. If you want a powerful and efficient NAS without spending too much, this is a fantastic option. 3. QNAP TS-264. Coming in at number 3 is the QNAP TS-264. This is a high-performance NAS that features a quad-core Intel N5105 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and dual 2.5 GB ports for ultra-fast transfers. It also has 2 M.2 NVMe SSD slots for caching, making it an excellent choice for media editing, virtualization, and home security storage. With HDMI output, you can even connect it directly to a TV or monitor. If you want a NAS that can handle more than just storage, the TS-264 is a strong contender. 2. Synology DiskStation DS224 Plus. At number 2, we have the Synology DiskStation DS224 Plus. This NAS is perfect for home users who need powerful data management and backup capabilities. It features a dual-core Intel Celeron processor, 2 GB of expandable RAM, and dual 1 GB ports. The biggest selling point is Synology's DSM software, which offers advanced data protection, cloud synchronization, and AI-powered photo management. If you're serious about data security and ease of use, the DS224 Plus is one of the best options available. 1. TerraMaster F4-424 Pro. Finally, our top pick is the TerraMaster F4-424 Pro. This 4-bay NAS is a beast, powered by an Intel N95 processor, 16 GB of RAM, making it one of the most powerful NAS devices for home use. It features dual 2.5 GB ports, M.2 SSD slots for caching, and support for up to 80 terabyte of storage. Whether you're a content creator, a media enthusiast, or someone who needs a high-performance private cloud, the F4-424 Pro offers top-tier speed and functionality at an incredible value. And that's our list of the best NAS devices for home in 2025. Whether you're looking for an entry-level solution or a high-performance powerhouse, there's something here for everyone. Which NAS are you thinking about getting? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.